All right. I'm going to do an unboxing on this. This is the Zinus queen size 12-inch memory foam green tea mattress. Purchased on Amazon. It's like 42 pounds. So it got delivered yesterday for like an extra 20 bucks. They would have brought it to the room, but that seemed weird. I've never bought a mattress in a box before, so I figured I'd share this experience. Watched the video on Amazon, kind of cool. How they package it up, roll it up. Quickly, I am unboxing it before work. So, because you're supposed to, I think, let it sit and like regain its poof. So I'm going to do that now. What do we have? Nice little card. We want everyone to be excited about what they get in this box, and we really hope you are. Slide off this green band and send this card on to someone you love. Someone might want to receive some kind of kindness. Let's see. Response 1. Remove it within 72 hours of receipt. Nice, that's what I did. Or doing. So not under a lot of pressure and may lash out if not unwrapped carefully. Please give them some space for 24 to 48 hours. Good deal. That's why I'm doing this. Might have a little bit of an odor. Green tea extract on it, so it might smell fresh. Pull it out, unroll it, cut it open. Let it regain its fluff. Seems pretty simple. Cards. I'll read those later. Anyway, okay. So it's rolled up. Queen size. I think I mentioned that. There it is. I'm doing this in the living room, and we'll drag it to the bedroom because we also have to build a bed. Woo! Comes out of the box actually pretty easy. Next step, unroll it. Please take. Stop! Please read me! Exclamation point. Review the terms and conditions. It's a binding agreement. Okay, nobody ever reads those, right? We already read the instructions. All right. It's fluff already. Can you hear it? Can you see it? Starting to regain its fluff. That's so fun. Let me put you on the floor. Yeah, it's pretty airtight and wrapped in the packaging to come home. Let's flip it over again. My husband told me that I should take it out of the bag while it regains its fluff. I guess it's light. Feels light for a mattress, but it's still not feather light. Let's see if it tells me. Roll it out, zipper side down. Where do I see a zipper? Oh yeah, that was zipper side. Carefully cut clear plastic bag around the edges. Get rid of the plastic bag. Okay. Guess who doesn't have a knife yet at the new house? Obviously, it's got some fluff yet to regain. Seems soft. Maybe I'll do another video after it regains its fluff a little bit, but pretty easy. Seems promising. Not hard at all, super easy actually, but cool. Just wanted to share.